What's going on, guys? Here's my 2016 Toyota Sequoia. My low beams went out, so I'm gonna just show you guys real quick how to do it, driver and passenger. It's pretty simple. You could do this in like 10 minutes. So here is the low beam. This one is your high beam, and then this one is your little marker. But to do the low beam, basically grab it, twist, comes right out. Super simple. And then there's the tab down here, you push in and it pops right out. Then grab your new bulb, plug this bad boy back in, hear it click, and then you have these three little tabs. You got to position it the right way when you stick it back in so it's nice and flush. Make sure this little flap doesn't get pinched between the light bulb, and mine did, of course. Oh, now it's out the way. Trying to hold the camera. And then if you look through the front, I don't know if you guys can see, you'll be able to see where the tabs are for the light. I mean, I could go by feel, but if you can't figure it out, you can look through the front and then you just twist it back and it's done. All right, now to the passenger side. I chose to loosen my bolts up. They're a 10 millimeter. There's one here, and one here, and then this. You know, you get a little bit more wiggle room, or if you really want to take it out, but you don't need to. You have enough space just the way it is. So then now you do the same thing. You repeat the steps. This one pushes down, you twist out, twist it out, and then with the tab, let's see if I can do this with one hand. You push that tab down. Yep, it came out, and there it goes, pops right out. So now I'm gonna get the new bulb out of my pocket. You grab the new bulb. Try not to touch the bulb, because I heard the oils from your skin can make it burn out a little quicker, but I'm doing this with one hand, so I'm touching it just a little bit. Alrighty, so now I got it in place. Push, heard the click, stick it back into the hole. I'm gonna look to see that I have the tabs lined up with my light bulb, because you could stick these in and they go crooked. And I see how it went in nice and flush, and now it's nice and flat. You can't really see it, but it's in there. And now you just twist down, or twist up, sorry, yep, twist up, and that's how you do your light. So if that helps anybody out, like and subscribe, would appreciate it. It's fairly simple. You could do this in like 2 minutes.